Anything is possible. We are not arguing, nobody is doing it. Lord, we are not contesting what you will do this hour. We are not contesting what we are about to do. For on that night they prayed, and the environment was shaking, and the foundation was shaking. He spoke in Jerusalem, he came to pass in Capernaum. At this hour, Lord, we challenge foundations. We challenge foundations. Lord, you said to Gideon in the book of Judges,